Alright, new video. It's a new family. COCE box connection version 1 FB. So comes in, looks like a compression connector when it comes in. To place that, you can place it on any one of these deals here. If you just CS and then snap center, and when you see the little purple circle in the center, just go ahead and accept it. You place it anywhere along the box this way. So one of these here, same thing. So if you turn that to set screw, it becomes a set screw connector. So the new feature out of this is draw conduit. So you have the option of draw conduit straight, which will project it straight out. And on this other one here, I'll just go ahead and do it as box offset. So you can do it as box offset as well. And then if you want to rotate that box offset around, just hit your space bar and it'll roll the offset. So it's stretchable conduit right now, and then at some point I guess there'll be a quick properties here that you can adjust on the fly. You can also type in your length right here where it says EMT PVC base length. This is where you would adjust the length if you knew the exact length you wanted to go up. So also, if you take this from EMT and let's say you want to make it PVC, it puts on the male adapter on there for you. I'm going to convert this one now to rigid, and if we adjust that one to rigid, hold on, we have to uncheck EMT. Okay, so now look on there, it's got a lock ring on both sides, and just kind of roll this a little bit so you can see inside there. Take that same and we're gonna do bond bushing, or maybe we want a zinc bushing instead, or maybe you want just a plastic bushing. Okay, and let's say on this lock ring on the top here, you're in a wet location, you want a sealing lock ring. Just hit that. Now you got the nice seal on the outer edge there. And I guess the other thing here is if you want a coupling on the other end, you do a coupling on the other end. Okay. There'll be some new features added in there over the next couple weeks, but for now, maybe that'll be a nice time saver for you guys. Okay.